Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and from today onwards I'm gonna make a series on the Tradingview indicators, okay, as requested by many of our followers, subscribers. It was requested, so totally there are approximately 115 indicators. If we go to the Tradingview, then these are the indicators I'm talking about. So I'm gonna starting the from the beginning to the end of all. I will try to cover all the indicators. So this could be a large series, this could be a long series. Instead of large, this could be a long series. It's gonna take maybe 1 month or 2 months because there are approximately 115. So I will continue to predict the prices of different coins, but side by side I'm gonna make a series on the indicators as well. So this is the part 1 of the Tradingview indicators, and the first in the list here, if we can take a look here, for example, if we go to the Tradingview, go to the indicators, we see accumulation, distribution. Okay, so I'm gonna start today with the accumulation and the distribution. You can go to Google and you're gonna find too much information is already available on the internet, but you see the visual presentations are way better than the reading ones. So I'm gonna start out. Basically, the Tradingview, as you can see here, is a volume based indicator which was essentially designed to measure the underlying assets. So we're gonna, accumulation means buying, distribution means selling. Okay, so I'm gonna start the video here, series part 1, accumulation indicator. So first we're gonna go through the basics, the definition, the history, and then we see these are some of the stuff you can also find on the internet. Then we're gonna hop on to the chart for the examples. So first let's start the series, guys, and I hope if you like the video, please send your feedbacks. Okay, the accumulation, the definition and the background. Okay, it is a volume based indicator, okay, which was essentially designed to measure underlying supply and demand. Supply means and demands. Okay, demand is the support area, supply is the resistance area. Okay, you just keep that in your mind. Accumulation means buying, distribution means selling. I want to keep it as simple so that you guys can easily understand. Okay, the next up, it accomplishes this by trying to determine whether the traders are actually accumulating. So basically this indicator tells us whether the buyers are buying or sellers are selling, what the retailers are doing, what the institutions are doing right now. Are they buying or accumulating? Sorry, are they buying or they selling? You see here we got the perfect definition of accumulation means buying, distribution means selling. Okay, so we accomplish this by plotting a running total of each period's money flow volume. ADL can reveal divergences between the volume flow and the actual price. Okay guys, these are basic stuff you can also find on the internet. So the history was, it was created by a famed stock analyst, Mark Chaikin. Okay, the ADL has become closely related to two of the Chaikin's other famous indicators. The Chaikin oscillator, you have also known this indicator on the Tradingview as well. So calculation, basically what it does, it takes the close of the candle, low of the candle, high and close, divided by the high minus. This is the formula you can find, guys. In order, I'm going through all this because I want to go to the practical work, the real world examples. From there you can understand what this indicator is all about. So it is the basics. You can easily, I will give the link for this. So basically what we would be looking for, this is the perfect example, this is the perfect definitions here. Trend. Okay, this is actually the simplest benefit of using the ADL. During a strong uptrend or strong downtrend, the ADL will actually move in the same direction as the price, confirming the current trend. Okay, you got it. So basically it also confirms the trend, but what we have to look, we have to look for the divergences. Okay, divergences, this is the divergence. Okay, divergences play another huge role in analyze the ADL. Okay, it is believed by many volume precedes price. So any instance in which volume and price are heading in opposite direction, what is this bullish divergence means the price is moving in one direction, but that divergence means the indicator is moving in the opposite direction. This is called the divergence. You see diverge, this is called the diverge. Okay, one something is moving in this direction, other is moving in the opposite direction. This is called the divergence. So there are two types of divergences, bullish divergence and the bearish divergences. Okay, what is it mean? The bullish divergence is when the ADL is trending upwards while the price is trending downwards. Why? ADL trending upwards shows increase in buying pressure, means a lot of accumulation is going on. Okay, assuming volume does precede volume. And okay, now the bearish one, we're gonna take a look at the bearish one is the when the ADL is trending downward while the price is on rise. Now we're gonna move on to the charts here. What do you have to do? Always look for the areas of reversal, guys. What do you have to go to the indicators, click on this indicator. I have already clicked on it. Click on this indicator and open any chart. I opened this one. Let's USDT pair. You can open anything. So what do you have to look for now? First I'm gonna go to the daily one. First let me clear everything. Let me clear everything just to give you the idea, guys, just to give you idea. For example, here, take a look at here. If I go forward in the time frame here, let me draw everything from the beginning. So here we have, this is the price right now. We would be looking for the current price area. Okay, first you need to draw the areas of reversals. What does it mean? The areas of support and resistances. Okay, support, resistance areas from where you can expect the price can bounce. Okay, it can move from there. So I'm gonna draw, for example, this could be our area of support, area of resistance. Here you can take a look at here, and the downward movement also I'm gonna mark this one. I have taken this as a swing high candle, and the next one would be this one. This is another, also this is another area, and this area. Okay, I have marked 4 areas. Now we're gonna deep dive. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to the 4-hour chart. Okay, so I would be looking for the areas of reversals. Okay, you see this is the area of reversal, rejections. This is the resistance areas. Okay, so first you have to point out these areas, you have to draw these levels. The next, you see I'm looking at this area to be another point of reversals. I'm gonna make it dashed. Okay, and another this area as well. Okay, I have drawn these levels. Just want to tell you guys how the price is gonna behave. Now what do we have to do is I'm gonna switch to, might be 15 minutes. I'm gonna go with the 5-minute chart. Sorry, 15-minute chart. I will try to find out the areas, guys. I'll try to find out the areas. Now if we go back from the when the price starts, I'm gonna find a divergence for you guys, and then we can have a go. Now go to the indicators, apply accumulation distribution indicator. I'm gonna make it black so you guys can easily see this one. Okay, now this is the black one. Now what do we have to look for? We have to look for the divergences. Okay, as you can see, if I go to, this is the short time frame, you can do scalp on it. Okay, so always look first for the price of action. Okay, price areas point of, you can see here, if we go, you have to look for these areas. Okay, these dips. Okay, I'm looking at these dips. Okay, we have to look for these dips. So if I go on here, the price is moving down, so the price is going down. For example, if we take a look at here, the price is making lows here, and also this is the regular accumulation distribution phenomena. This is the distribution, a regular distribution, not a divergence. This is not a divergence, because here you can see the price is moving down, so does the this indicator is trending down. If we move on, we want to look for the divergences. Here we might see some lows here, and it is making, let's take a look. For example, if we draw here from this end to this area here, it is going upward, but we see a divergence here, and from onwards you see the price started to, it moved up, but from there it moved down. I'm gonna find a perfect example for you guys so you guys can easily see. This one is also a zone. If I go on, moving on, guys, you see this one as well making high. If we take this example, for example, this one, from this to this area, I'm gonna do here. You can see here, this can be a divergence. For example, let me bring down the chart here. Just take a look at here, guys. You see the price was moving down, but this indicator shows the upward move, that a lot of accumulation is going on at this zone, you see. And what happened after that? When this peak was formed here at this area, you see, we saw a rally upwards, and right, this is the point of zone I was talking about, point of reversal, right on the spot, right on the spot area. You see here perfectly, this was the perfect area to enter, and you could have made from this area of entry, you could have made 20%, because we're gonna go to the next resistance area. And you see, this is how this area, this indicator works. Okay, ADL, this is so important. First you need to plot these areas. This is what important. Now I'm gonna find some more examples. I'm doing it live for you guys, not recorded. I could have recorded that, but I'm doing it for you guys. This is on the 15 chart, okay, 15 minutes chart. Okay guys, so what do we have to do? I am looking for divergences, guys. I'm looking to, divergences. Let me turn on the 5-minute chart. For example, I'm going to look for the XRP. Let's take a look at the XRP, because I want to make this video short video, not a long video. That's why I am making this here. If we take a look, I'm looking for the lower lows. Okay, these lows, I'm keeping an eye on these lows, and from here, if we take an eye from these lows, so this video can become large. Okay, it can become large, but we have to look for it. Okay, we need to find out the perfect areas. I'm gonna turn on to the 15 minutes from here. Let's find out something. If we got something here, you see a large accumulation, a perfect scenario, a large accumulation. So does the price moves in the upward direction as well. And what do we have here? The price accumulation going down. Here we see the price made a high. If we take a look at here, the price made high, but from here the price was, the indicator was showing the downward move. So after that the price came down. You see a price came down here as well. So someone could have thought that we have breakout of this area, but it was a fake breakout. So it shows that we can also trace out the fake breakouts. I have not applied the zones right now, but I'm looking for the divergences as well. So you see here we got another thing, but this is not a divergence. We see lower low and this higher low, and so does the higher low here as well. If we move on, we can see here the price made a swing lower and then a move down here as well. Now here we have found something interesting as well, guys. You see the latest price action from here. If we take a look here, price was making low, but here at this area the indicator was showing higher moves. See divergence again, another divergence. This is on the 15-minute chart. You can see here we got another bullish divergence here. You see the price was making low, but there was a accumulation going on. That's how that's how you can understand what the price is doing, what the market is doing right now. Is there accumulation going on? And you can see here you could have made a profit of, if you would have entered here for 5% as quick scalp during this ranging market. So this is basically very important. I'm looking for the downward move. Okay, I'm gonna look for the downward moves. From there we can understand what this indicator can do. Okay guys, I'm looking for the downward move. We haven't find anything yet. I'm gonna move the chart a bit. So what we're gonna do is, if we take a look at this one, the price was making high, but it was in the accumulation zone. Okay, if we go back, So we have got multiple zones here as well. Here we have got another zone. If we draw this one and this one low, but this was making high. You see, if we go down, you see a divergence on the upside, but it was the price was going down, like indicator was showing up, and so you see a good move on the upside. If I take a measurement, you could have made 15%. I have not, again I'm telling you that I have not drawn this area. So guys, this is the scenario. If I take a 15-minute video, is getting long, but this is the series I'm going to make, a long series, but I want to tell you guys, you can easily make a quick gains if you perfectly, if you can make, if you understand the basics of that, this indicator. What you have to do first, you have to go to the daily chart. From daily one, you have to draw the support and resistance areas, okay, and from there you can easily identify the potential reversals. Okay, you can easily identify the potential reversal. This is not a divergence, guys, this is not a divergence. Okay guys, you can see how the price is going down, how the price moves with the help of, you can do the scalping with the help of this indicator. It's a good indicator as well. So that's how this indicator works. Okay, so right now I can make I can draw multiple regions, but now the video is getting long, that's why I will sign off from here. And please let me know in the comment section if you find anything here. Okay, if you find anything, please let me know. This is a ranging market. Okay, if you find this indicator helpful for you, please let me know in the comment sections. Okay guys, so that's it, the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, take care, bye.